Good morning, class 7th. We are doing chapter number 11 and we are on the topic addition and subtraction. In our previous video, we have studied about addition. Now, today we will explore how to do subtraction of algebraic expressions. Now, let's start with example number 4. Again, there are two methods in subtraction also. One is your column method and one is your row method. We are going to study both the methods one by one. So, here it is given, subtract this expression 2a plus 3b minus c from this 4a plus 5b plus 6c. Now write the given expressions in two rows. First of all, you will write these two expressions in two rows in such a way that the like terms are written one below the other, like we used to do in case of addition, like terms below the like terms. Clear? But here you will take care that the expression to be subtracted is written in the second row always. The expression which you want to subtract, that will come in the second row, and from which you are subtracting, that will come in the first row. Means first you will write that expression and then you will write the expression you need to subtract. Okay. And also in class also I still after from what is written, like subtract this from this. So first is you will write this expression here, and then you will write next expression, one like terms below each other, then like term below the like term. Fine. And then comes the changing of sign. If it is plus over here, you will put a minus, plus over here you will put a minus, minus hai to you will put a plus. Now simple solving, change the sign of each term second row, I told you. Then with these new signs, add the like terms column wise, and again you will add them. So plus 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 6 plus 1 7c, plus minus minus 5 minus 3 2b, and 5 is greater so plus sign will come. Then plus plus minus minus 4 minus 2a will come, and 4 is greater so plus sign will come. Fine. Now next is 5x square minus 3x plus 1, and you have to subtract this from this. So first you will write 5x square minus 3x plus 1 and this expression below it. Okay, now change the sign. No sign is here, so it is plus, so we'll put a minus, plus minus minus plus. Now plus 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 6 and 1 7, minus minus plus 5 and 3 8x, and 5 is greater so minus sign will come. Then plus minus minus 5 minus 2 3x square. Clear now? Now next is your row method. Write both the expressions in a single row with the expression to be subtracted in a bracket and put a minus sign before this bracket. Okay, then open the bracket and then add the like terms. Now it will be more clear to you. Let me tell you now. We are taking the same example again, 4a plus 5b plus 6c. From this you have to subtract this. So second expression you will write in the bracket, and outside the second expression you will put a minus sign. Now when the bracket will open, the signs of these terms will change because outside it is minus. Also if you multiply them, minus plus minus 2a, minus plus minus 3b, minus minus plus c. Now take the like terms together, or you can say group the like terms, 4a minus 2a, 5b minus 3b, 6c plus c. ठीक है. Now plus minus minus 4 minus 2 2a, 5 minus 3 2b, 6c plus c 7c, and sign you will put accordingly, whichever term is greater, that sign will come. Okay, fine. Now let's come to example number 5. A square plus 2ab from b square plus 4ab. You have to subtract this from this. So first you write this, children. Now some terms are same and some terms are different. Means some are like and some are unlike. So like you will keep one below the other, but unlike you will not keep. So you have written b square plus 4ab. Now a square, but no a square is here, so keep it separately, plus a square. Then plus 2ab. Plus 2ab will come below 4ab. Now change the sign. No number is here, so no sign change will be there. Here it is plus, so minus will come. Here it is plus, so minus will come. You have to change the sign of the lower row. Okay, second row. Now b square as it is, plus minus minus 4 minus 2 2ab, and minus a square as it is, because now we are not seeing this sign, we will see this sign. Okay, so minus a square. Then comes the row method. B square plus 4ab minus a square plus 2ab. Now b square plus 4ab, open the bracket, the signs will change, minus a square minus 2ab. Now b square as it is because no other b square is there. Then 4ab minus 2ab, 2ab, and sign will come off plus because of 4ab is positive and greater, and minus a square will also come as it is. So answer is same by both the methods. Clear? The statement for subtracting x plus 2y from 2x plus 5y can be given in many ways. Now children, this is the most important thing which I want you to see and learn. Subtraction we are going to do, but the question can be asked in many ways. He can say करना हमें वही है subtract, but the way of asking can be different. Like take away this from this, again means subtraction. Take away this from this. Suppose there are three balls. Okay, I say take away 2 balls. So 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 balls. So 1 ball is left. Take away. उसमें से बाहर ले लो. Okay, means minus. What is excess of this over this? What is excess? क्या ज़्यादा है of this over this? Again, you have to subtract this from this. By how much does this exceed this? Like exceed ना आगे निकल गया. So by how much this has exceed this? Again you have to do subtraction. From this you have to subtract this. How much is this less than this? How much is this less than this? ये इससे कितना छोटा है? Again from this you have to subtract this. What must be subtracted from this to get this? हम इसमें से क्या subtract करें so that we can get this? Again subtract. From this you will subtract this. What should be added to this? What should we add to this to get this? Means it is small, and what should we add to get this? So from this you will subtract this. What should be added to this to get this? Like if I say what should be added to 3 in order to get 5. So what you will do? 5 minus 3. So add 2 and 3 to get 5. Are you getting my point, children? Is it clear to you? Okay. Now addition or subtraction of unlike terms. Means the terms are unlike this time. 5x and 7y, addition of 5x. So simply we'll just write like this. You cannot add them because they are not like terms. Similarly, subtraction of 9y from 3xy. So they are not same. You will just write like this, 3xy minus 9y. But you cannot subtract because they are not like terms. Fine, I hope this is clear to you. Now let's come to the exercise. In our next video, I'll be teaching you the questions of exercise 11b based on subtraction. Thank you. Have a nice day.